Ginupit ko na yung ano.
What are you doing with that? It's in the finger, isn't it? Oh, Tom, your fingers are too big for this. Like that. But your fingers are dry. Oh, just spin it in your finger. Right, spin it in your finger. And hold. No, you... I was just going to say, if you're jumping still in your buggy, I forgot to get you out of that. Good mark.
Good job. Look at Holy Honey.
You gotta point it down. Just as you go to kick it, you point it down. Where you going, Bubba? Bubba, where you going? Holly, where you going?
Going adventure?
Adventure?
Yeah.
Where?
Find some board. Then let's go.
Oh, screwy.
Ganito sila after namin kumain. After manood ng news. Hi, Papa! You look so cute! What do you have there? What's your pencil? Not sure. You drop it there, Baba. You drop.
Drop your gum.
You drop your gum, Baba.
Holly, yeah, hold your gun.
Zach. Tackle him.
Donkey.
Free kick.
Magugutom na naman mga to after ng dinner. Oh! No! Good job, Kuya! Baba, you're too busy. Nakikita ko yung panty mo. What color of your panty, Baba? Huh? What color of your... Huh? Yellow. Where you going? You have a mission. What is your mission?
For some kind of board.
Ano?
Find some board.
What you on, Bubby?
Find some what?
Good.
Birds.
Wow. Speed coming, Zach, go.
Find some board.
Good picker. Oh, he's falling over. On the ball.
Hold the ball. I was not holding
He
it.
didn't get down. Take off. Back, look at the trees. Look at birds. Look it up. Look up. That's it. Training.
Come on.
Mark it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, honey. Why did you put it there, hon? Ano yan? Sa golf nila yan, guys. Pag nagpa-practice.
Find my board.
Oh, tingnan. John.
Dear, I just pretending next to the ball.
Ah, you're just pretending?
Oh, Seki! Go for the ball, TJ, not the man.
I shall find the ball.
Just there, Zachary. Mark it!
Oh,
Zach, watch out. Hold, stop. Let it go.
that's right. Don't push Kuya, no.
Mark it! Come on! Well done, Zach.
Oh.
The last one, come on, quick. You gotta go have quick showers tonight. Sit in there, wash yourself out. Mark it, Zach.
Good morning, guys! Nakaayos kayo ni Holly kasi mag-film kami sa Chona's Kitchen.
I did this off, Mom.
What's that, Holly?
Sibuyas.
And what is this?
Bawang.
Very good. Can you say kamatis?
Tomatoes.
Very good. So, magluluto kami, pero yung mga bata, di ba?
Sponge.
Yeah, hash crush friends. Kasi di ba kahapon gusto nila ng sabi nila kahapon gusto raw nila ng hot cross bun. So, ito-toast ko lang to. Ayan na si Zach. Good morning, Zach!
Morning.
And si Jan pala umalis. Where's Daddy?
Golf.
Yeah, naglaro siya ng golf.
He's playing at
And-
Altamara.
Yeah, Altamara. Mag-toast lang ako and nagsaing na ako ng guys, ng kanin. Mayroon siyang mix na regular rice, yung tira ko na nabili namin noon pa sa Adelaide. Ubus na, inalis ko na dito yung nakita niyo yung sako dito. And nagdagdag ako ng konting basmati rice kasi nga ipa-fried rice ko siya later. So binuksan ko siya kanina lang. Ayun pa lang yung nabawas. Oh. Baba, busy siya.
This one with all like those like carrots and peas.
Ah, you want that kind of fried rice. Si Kuya naman, yun naman ang ayaw niya. The garlic. Okay.
Can you make mine?
Okay. Tingnan nyo na si Sak. Naubos niya na yung, yung cross buns niya na tinost. Tapos, so, eto, hindi ko na ito toast. No toast?
I want toast.
You want toast? Okay.
Me too.
Oh, that's for Kuya. Give that to Kuya.
I don't want mine toast.
Okay. Get that one. That's for you. Mayroon pang isa dito. Kay Sak. Gusto niya raw toast. Toast na natin to.
Ma.
Ito na lang natitira. Isa. And naghihiwa na ako ng bawang para sa Chona's Kitchen. Isa na lang yung natira, guys. 6 ata to. Ayan, dyan ka na muna. So, ito na yung pangalawa ni Sak na toast na hot cross buns. Masarap to pag may butter tapos naka-toast talaga siya. Sak, it's ready! Tingnan nyo yung mukha niya. Let me see your face. Ang dungis mo, oh.
Thank you.
Welcome. Make sure you don't sit on the couch, ha? Kuya, humihingi pa siya. Pang ilan mo na to? This is your? Pangatlo niya na to. Are you done, Baba? Okay. No, there's no more stock. Naubos. Silang nakaubos. Hindi ako nakatikim. Baba. No more, Baba. Just finish that one. Tomorrow again. Okay, I'll get more in the freezer. But you have to wait, okay? Okay. Don't sit on the couch. Kasi di ba bagong laba yan? Naglalaro sila ng ano. Yes! Na yung lunch namin. And pinatikin ko kay Sak and kay TJ. And it is very what, Zachary? Very good. Get the kangkong. Hala, kinamay niya na si kangkong. Yummy. Very good. Uy, anong ginagawa mo? Uy, uy. I said wait. I'll give you some weight, okay?
I love myself.
Okay, you're gonna eat by yourself. Okay. Ayan na naman siya.
This time I'm just having the tuyo.
You like the tuyo?
Mom, why don't you make the little one?
The little one is in the kangkong.
No, I like the little tuyo.
Yeah, that's the one. Ah, the dilis. Oh, we don't have that one now.
But is it still the same?
Yeah, it's still dried fish.
Bigger?
Bigger version.
Have this?
Yeah, you can have that one. And get some kangkong and crunchy.
What's the crunchy thing?
Yeah, yeah. And kangkong. Hoy, don't make a mess there, okay? Nandun sila sa kwarto ng mga bata. Ay, ni Holly. Dahil tapos na silang kumain ng lunch, magtutuyo, ano sila, lollipop, and ako, nagta-transfer ng files para may edit ko na yun sa Chona's Kitchen.
Can be to the
way. No, I will hide that one.
Why?
Because I know what's gonna happen. Okay, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Iba, hindi to yung round. Yung flat to, guys, na lollipop.
Want some lollipop?
Okay.
Want some lollipop?
No, I'm good, thank you. Okay. You don't have to choose, Kuya, because
Oh no.
that's alright. Coca-Cola raw ang gusto niya.
Coca-Cola is better.
I don't know which one. This one? Yep,
Yes.
this one.
Oh.
Oh, Holly, don't snatch. Coca-Cola. Here.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Once a day lang to. Kasi isa lang ang binili ko nito. Matagal-tagal tayo dito sa bahay.
When we go to school, can we have one of those?
I don't know when you're gonna go back to school, Kausap. We don't know yet.
We don't know.
That's right.
We might not go to school this whole year.
Oh, I hope not. I hope not.
Then we have to go homework then.
Nandito na si Jan. Narinig na namin siya. Ayan.
Oh,
Hi, how's your golf?
good.
Good. What's wrong, Holly?
She fell off the chair.
Ah, nag-arty-arty ka na. Nandiyan ang daddy. Wash your hands, please, Han. Alas 4 na. Mag-alas 4 na, guys. And, nag-edit ako.
DIOS wise.
And si Holly, ayan. Bumalik siya dito. Kumakain siya. Get that plate there.
I'm not.
No, that's for later. Here. Kumain naman siya. And ito yung iniinom namin, yung V8.
That's not mine.
I'll put you more later, okay?
No, that's not mine.
I'll put you more later. And si Jan, nakaligo na kanina. Pagkadating-dating niya, naligo siya. And naglaro sila ng PS4. And nandito pa rin yung aking mga gamit. And sabi ko, magluluto ako ng, ano ba yun? Yung toge. Hindi ko pa nagagawa kasi gusto ko muna itong tapusin. Siya na talaga ang busy. Are you busy, Baba?
Yeah.
Guys, I told you put it here, Baba, please.
Why?
Thank you.
I'm hitting my way.
That's why. I told you, where's your ipit? Here.
I want to eat it.
Yeah, you have to have ipit. Sarap na. What are you eating?
I want and why?
Tuyo and rice. Is it crunchy? Baba, is it really crunchy? Do you really like the tuyo that we cook? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Do you really like it?
Like this guy.
Try this, guys. Yummy! Sige na, magpakabusog ka dyan habang si Mami nag-e-edit, okay? Okay? Wala siyang pag-ialam. Sarap! Grabe, sarap na sarap siya, oh. How many times did you wash your hands, Baba?
Twice.
Twice. And how many minutes? 20 seconds.
Now,
How many happy birthday you sing?
twice.
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 Very good.
Voila.
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Hindi pa ako nakakapagluto ng yung sprouted na spring rolls. Andito sila, oh. Mainit kasi. So, maliligo sila dito sa labas.
Full speed.
Go, Bubba, run through it. Run.
Go, Baba! Ipaw tapos mag-edit din sa ano, yung in-edit ko para sa Chona's Kitchen. Go, Zaki! Oh, kuya, go! Balik na ulit ako doon para mag-edit.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away, lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love.
Sabi ko siya muna ang bala sa dinner niya. Kasi yung mga bata, ha? It's fresh, Han! I took it out yesterday. So, ang kakainin niya ay... Don't worry about the kids. Ito. Yan, oh. Yung leftover kahapon na roast pork. Sabi ko siya muna mag-asikaso sa sarili niya. Kasi nag-i-edit pa ako. Ito yung sa Chona's Kitchen. So, ito yung ginagawa niya sa kanyang dinner. Linalagyan niya ng cheese. May gravy sa ref, pero sabi niya magto-tomato sauce daw siya tonight. Bago ka pa makatapos, busog ka na. Kasi kanina pa siya kumakain. Baba, you want some? Ah? Okay. Ito sa'yo, Baba. Oh, come on. Here's yours, Baba. Ooh. Yes. Ang sasabihin? You're welcome. Oh, careful. Naligo na sila. You're right, Zach? Ayan, si Daddy yung nag-a-assist ngayon sa kanilang dinner. Is it, Kuya? So, yung dinner namin kahapon, yun din yung dinner namin tonight kasi meron pang roast pork. How many did you have already, Kuya? One? And that's your second? How about you, Zaki boy? Second. How about you, Papa? One. Wow, Zaki boy! Third. Pangatlo niya na yan, guys. Do you want me to do it, Baba? No, thanks. Alright. Good job. Are you? My God. Ang lakas na talaga nilang kumain. Kumain pa sila ng rice, ha? You might. Okay. You right, Zach? Are you sure? You don't want me to do it? Watch this daw, guys. Wow. Ay, hindi nyo nakita. Ayan. What's that? Zachary? No, I don't think it will fit your name there, Zach. Just Zach. Z. Okay, Zach. Good job.
I just ordered takeout once.
Yeah. Where's the meat? Just tomato sauce? Ayan na si Kuya din. Pang ilan mo na yan, Kuya? Are you done? Hala, ubos na guys yung isang yung kalahati. And si Sak, ayan na ulit, bumalik. Naubos mo na yung Baba. Did you finish the other one with no meat? Ang bilis mo, ha? Diba? Nagutom sila kakaligo sa labas. Put some meat. That's not crunchy now, Sak. Put some meat, Kuya. And then, yeah.
What, TJ first?
Okay, right. TJ first. Sila na talaga. Good job, Kuya. Nainggit si Sak. Put some meat, Kuya. Yeah, TJ. Good job, Kuya.
I'm gonna wait for Dad to come.
Why? You gonna share it to Dad? Nasa labas na kasi si Jan. Okay. Si Sak talaga, pinupush niya, may sulat niya yung Zachary. C-H. H. Alright. Kasi,
Wait, stop.
full stop. May period pa. Okay. Hindi na sila naglalagay ng meat. How are you, Baba?
How's my board?
That's your second, not fourth. Alright, kuya? Sabi niya, vlog ko raw siyang ipakita sa daddy niya. Hinda ka daw. Thanks, honey. Ikaw mag-ano dyan, ligpit. Asa na si Zach? They're done. Sinasabihan ko siya, huwag gamitin yung paper towel para pang punas dyan sa sa table kasi paubos na kami ng paper towel. Wala pa naman mabibilhan. Minsan, di ba, pag nag-uutos ka, parang minsan, ikaw na lang sa nanggagawa kasi ito na siya.
Hey, Buhay.
What's your buhay, Han? What is your buhay? Cleaning. Ay, hindi pa rin ako tapos.
Where's the last dinner meal?
Ha?
Where's the last dinner meal?
Want choco? There's Han. Chocolate. Lots of chocolate there.
Yeah, no, it's not cold though.
Oh, you want
I
coke?
put fruit nut in the fridge.
Fruit and nuts. Movie. Mag-movie daw kami tonight. M&M nuts. M&M nuts. The one with the nuts, Han.
No, that is real.
Give me, Han. What?
That's a big bag of them. They're little packets.
No, it's not. Then you open it.
Chicken Chona.
Binuksan niya. Akala niya yung individual pack. May M&M's tayo dito, guys. Hindi pa rin ako tapos. Malapit na.
Nothing?
Look at her daw, oh.
Saying,
Wow, look at you.
what is
Shut the
it?
door.
What is that?
Why?
That's mine.
It's not.
Yes, it is. That's my lunchbox. That's my lunchbox. What do you
Ilalagay niya kasi sa lunchbox ni Holly, oh.
for my school?
No.
What?
And what's in the house?
That's clean. Magpa-popcorn sila, guys. Gabi na, 8:15 na. And ayun, tinatanggal nila yung apple doon sa pinaglalagyan nila ng popcorn kasi mag-movie sila. What movie are you gonna watch?
Picture.
Back to the Future. And ako, hinugasan ko yung mga kalat ko at saka yung pinagkainan nila. Hindi pa ako tapos. And uploading na yung vlog sa isa kong channel sa Chona's Kitchen. Katapos ko lang talaga and dumiretso ako dito sa lababo para maghugas. And after ko maghugas, lulutuin ko na yung sprouted na gagawin kong spring roll. And eto yung isasaw ko yung lobster. So yan ang gagawin ko after ko maghugas. Oy, away from the microwave please. Away. Yeah, I know, but away because the radiation. No.
What's that for?
It's not good for you. Come on. Ang bango, Zach. Ito na yung, oh wait, Baba. Ito yung popcorn nila. Wait. Okay, it's very hot, very hot. Okay. Share, okay? And no fighting. Sit down. Ano na sila. And eto rin yung lobster. Hinugasan ko na. Hilaw pa to, guys, na lobster, oh. So, yan ang ihahalo ko dun sa aking spring roll na toge. Natanggal ko na yung lobster sa shell and natusok ako, guys. Ayan, oh, kahit may gloves ako, natusok ako ng eto ba yung ano niya, ayan, oh, hindi ko na nga tinapos. Ayan. So, ayan, okay lang yan. So, kausap ko, guys, yung kapatid ko and pinapakita niya sa akin yung dinabas nila si Ninyo tapos nagsindi sila ng kandila. Ang tawag sa Bicol ay duungaw. Hindi ko lang sa Tagalog. So, ayan, dinabas nila. And, yeah. Kausap ko muna siya. And, ready na pala yung aking mga lulutuin, guys. Oh. Nahugasan ko na rin yung ating, eto ba, yung, ano nga to, toge. Ayan, nahugasan na natin. And yung aking kamay, dumudugo pa siya. Masakit siya kasi medyo malalim. And yung mga boys, kanina ang ingay nila nung nag-commercial kasi nagpa-fighting sila. Yung karate ba. So, nanonood pa rin sila ng Back to the Future.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. take a trip, we can get away, lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love.
Mag-11 na pala guys, and tapos ko nang lutuin yung togi na gagawin kong lumpia, and kabababa ko lang din ng phone, kausap ko yung family ko sa Philippines, and today is March 28, and again, late nyo itong mapapanood, and sana pag napanood nyo to, okay na ang lahat, balik na sa normal ang buhay natin. So yun na guys yung vlog natin. Please stay home and be safe. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night guys. Tulog na yung mga kasama ko. Naka-on lang yung TV pero tulog na sila. So good night.